Hi, I'm Lin McCraw with the McCraw Law Group. I'm here answering frequently asked questions that I get from my clients from time to time and hope that it makes your life a little bit easier. One question that I get from my clients sometimes if it's been weeks or months after a wreck is how late can we file a claim and still actually prosecute the claim? In most situations, not in all situations, but in most situations, we have to actually file a lawsuit within 2 years of a wreck happening in Texas, or we will lose our ability to bring that lawsuit. It's called the statute of limitations, and if the statute of limitations comes in, it can devastate your case and make it where you cannot recover at all. In certain situations, if we have defendants like a city, for instance, we may have to put the city on notice well within that statute of limitations time period. So it's always important to be proactive about maintaining these cases. But on the outside, you have up to 2 years to actually file the lawsuit. Now, most lawyers, when you go and see them, are not going to want to see you 1 year and 11 and a half months after a wreck has occurred before prosecuting the claim. The reason is most lawyers are going to want to have time to investigate the claim. They're going to want to have time to try to negotiate the claim with the insurance company, and you take that time away from them if you wait that length of time. I can tell you from experience of a number of clients, that if you wait more than about a year or year and a half to bring a claim, what the insurance company will start to do at that point is they will start running the clock on you. It sounds harsh, it sounds crass, and it is, but that's exactly what they will do. They will delay, and hope that you miss the statute of limitations, or at the very least, put your lawyer in a situation in which they will not be able to take the offensive on the case. You see, at the McCraw Law Group, when we prosecute these claims, what we want to do is get all of your medical records in admissible form in advance to the degree that we can. We want to have all of our evidence put together the best that we possibly can before we file the lawsuit. So when we file a lawsuit, we file the lawsuit and we immediately serve the evidence that we have to serve the other side to immediately put them in the seat of somebody that's not in control. We want to take control of the lawsuit and prosecute that lawsuit to the fullest extent that we can, and we've got to have the time to do that. So if your situation is running close to the statute of limitations, call somebody immediately. And if you'd like to call us, please call us. Our phone number is on the screen below. We'd be more than happy to talk to you about your claim and help you with it if we can.